Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. Today in this video we're going to be doing 100% honest slime reviews. They're either store-bought slimes or slimes that I made. Mostly store-bought slimes. So before we get into this video, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, share this video with your friends and family because I am always family-friendly content. And all these slimes, all these 3 slimes that you can get at Target that are in the video. So yeah, make sure to go cop these slimes. And yeah, this is gonna be a voiceover, so enjoy the slime video. So here we are. Here is the Nickelodeon Slime Fun Scent from Crazy Art. I got this at Target because you can get all the slimes at Target. It was not so clicky, but it was really loud, and it was a really good glossy slime. It ripped really easily, so I had to reactivate it in this video, but I didn't show it. But also, the drizzle was kind of good, or I'm just bad at drizzles, because it wasn't working until this try. It kind of worked, and I was just kind of sad. Overall, I'll probably rate it a 9 out of 10. It was pretty good. Moving on to slime number 3 is Guava Juice Slime Pack. Now this slime is more like a putty. It's a clear based slime, but it's not that easy to play with. It's really rough, and if you try to squeeze it, it's really not good at stretching. It's not good at stretching. It feels good, but it's not good at stretching. I didn't do a drizzle for this one because it's obviously not good at drizzles. So I'd probably give this a 5 out of 10. It was pretty good. And the next one of the Guava Juices slime is the maple syrup. The last one is blueberry. So this is breakfast packets. Yeah, so it's the same kind of texture, except I think because I've played with it for so long, it just got a little bit stickier. So yeah, it got a little stickier. Obviously, I did try to do the drizzle, but the drizzle obviously did not work. So that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you all for tomorrow's video. It's Everyday Kid. I'll see you all tomorrow. Hope you did enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Never miss one of my daily videos. Share this video. I'm always for the content. See ya, please.